Hello everyone, it's Mr. Wolf here, and in this video I'm going to be going over scenario 1. Does rubbing a balloon against polyester charge the balloon? So before this video you should have taken the polyester, the balloon, rubbed them together, taken the balloon, stuck it to the wall, and noticed that it sticks to the wall. And so that means yes, the balloon becomes charged, and in this video we're going to be explaining in detail how that goes down. And so our two objects are the polyester and the balloon. These guys are both insulators. Right? And it says that they both have 8 atoms, so I made sure to have 8 protons, right? That decides the number of atoms. The amount of electrons can change, but since it says that both objects are neutral, I'm going to have the exact same amount of electrons, 2 protons. Right? Now remember, nature likes to be chill. Everything likes to be even, and that's exactly what we have in this situation. So in order to get electrons to kind of clump up in one area compared to another, we need to apply a force that's going to generate that energy required for that to happen. And so I take my two objects, I rub them together. Let's say this is the point of contact. And now electrons are going to want to jump from one object to the other. So the question now becomes, well, which object do they jump to? Well, since polyester has a greater electron affinity, really what that's saying is it just wants electrons more. So electrons are going to jump at the point of contact from the balloon to the polyester. Now remember, these black circles are just a way for us to visually see that the atoms are either neutral or they're charged positively or negative. So that's why I'm getting rid of the circles as electrons jump over. Now notice the distribution of charge on both objects. Right? The point of contact was here, so electrons jumped over, and no other electrons moved because it's an insulator. Electrons can't move very well on the balloon. Same thing with the polyester. Once electrons jumped over, they didn't spread out throughout the material. They stayed in that area where there was that point of contact, again, because electrons can't move well through an insulator. So this video explains how the balloon actually becomes charged.